Hi, welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get more local customers without paying for ads, and basically a case study of how we're able to generate up to 16 leads within a period of 12 months for a website we barely used $100 to build out, and how we can replicate same for your business. So if you own a local service business, you need to ask yourself something. How much do you really spend on ads every single month? Is it $1,000 or $2,000? And what happens when you stop paying for those ad services? The lead actually stops, the phone stops ringing, your business goes quiet. And that's the problem with renting your customers. You never own the lead source. You're always one budget cut out away from zero revenue. But what if I told you there's a way you could actually get customers? That's the cost. You're nothing per click, no monthly ad bills, no costs per lead eating your profit. I'm going to show you exactly how we built a simple website that brought 16 qualified customers in 12 months without spending a dime on ads. And the best part, the total setup cost just $224. Here's a simple website we built out, and it's a case study. There wasn't any much SEO done on this, not much work done, just a simple page website, just this single page you're seeing right here. But there are very important markers that actually made this project a successful one. And we built this with AI, ChatGPT content. So it's not even human written, but there are specific things about the page that's making it rank. And we bought a domain for just $15, so you could get most of these domains out here. You can see you can get them out for $11, so barely that's $15 per year. And that's all we spent to get this amount of leads, of which the recent one being October 22 came in from this website here. So the problem with how most locals do SEO, they build their SEO system very wrong. They build one website and try to stuff page for every city they serve. So you've got a main website like this, and they build out location pages such that this URL structure looks this manner, location/Roland. So on just one particular page, of which the home page here could be targeting gutter installation in Bikini. Then it could have more suburbs. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but with recent Google updates, they kind of support this homepage itself. You'll find out that your homepage itself is ranking for a lot of keywords, but your inner pages are no longer ranking as much for those keywords. If not, Yelp will just cover the entire local SEO space, but that's not the case we have. So they build one website, try to stuff it with pages for every city they serve. So you got a main site, and you add pages like your website / the location you serve, multiple of them. It actually sounds logical, but Google kind of doesn't reward those inner pages as much as they do the home page, and there's a reason for that, because a lot of authority and trust is being passed on the home page through other websites linking to your website. So when you basically do a citation like get your website listed in your local chamber of commerce, Yelp, and other local directories, they kind of send those signals to the home page, and Google picks that up. So kind of favor the home page for that specific city, and that's the secret most SEO agency won't tell you, because it means more work for them. The other mistake is you thinking you need to get in the map packs to actually get leads. So a lot of persons actually think only persons who appear here in the map pack get all the leads. That's not true. If that's the case, sites like Yelp will not even exist. Other directories will not even exist itself. You can see here's our website, but the goal is to get this website to somewhere here. So for most of the keywords, we're actually ranking in position 1 and 2 for most of the keywords, we're ranking in position 1. Like you can see, Seamless got us McKinney, Texas. We're ranking number 1. So you want to get, I beg your pardon, we're ranking number 2. So you want to get your website listed in this 1, 2, 3 position, the top 3 positions after the map pack. They still get results. But if you have a Google Business Profile, that is gold. And we are actively looking for businesses that we want to work with who has a Google Business Profile and finding it difficult to get calls coming in through there. We are working with businesses on a trial basis, of which when we give you a result, that is when you get to pay. So it's basically free for the first 30 days. Then once you see improvements, then you pay us our money. So that's it about that. So the case study I told you about the website I showed you, which is this one. There are certain markers that made it such that it was able to rank on Google first page. One of them is we grabbed the exact match domain. Exact match simply means it has the service we render and the state in which and the city in which we render the service in. So that is why it's called exact match domain, and it costs just $15 per year to acquire. Then Google kind of favors domains like that, so that's why we are using this domain. It does not change anything about your business. You could actually have your logo on your business. You could have your business carry your business name. It doesn't matter, but the domain itself is something you want to actually be aware of. So another thing we did, we built a one-page website for our case study, but for your own service, it's something you want to build multiple pages for each of this service that is being rendered. It's the general good practice, and Google tends to favor websites with bigger pages. So we basically imputed the title tag in our main keyword, and here's the title tag. I'm using a Chrome plugin. So the title tag explicitly says what we do: gutter installation, repair, cleaning in McKinney, Texas. So that's something you want to also do. So for the kind of service you're rendering in your location, be it plumber, dentist, whatever it is, so you put the service and the location, you render it in your title tag. Another place again you want to put that thing again is in your H1 tag, and this is the H1 tag. So I kind of stuff in a lot of the service we render here, so it could appear for multiple of the search terms when people are searching. Then we have a form here. This phone number does not work. If it did work, we would get even more leads. Then after that, we listed the service we render and kind of explain a bit about the services we render. So, but for good SEO purposes, if you are doing it for your own website, you don't want to have all of this on the home page. So you want to have them linking to inner page, dedicated service pages for each of the services that you render. And basically, this is it. And we added the testimonial section, and one of the things you want to also notice, we added frequently asked questions on the homepage itself. So it kind of tells Google exactly what people are looking for, that you are trying to give as much information to the searcher as possible. And this is something most people miss. You want to add the location, the zip code within the city it is you serve. So it kind of sends this signal to Google that your site is hyper local. So that is basically exactly what we did, and it's been giving us results. So this site basically costs $224 when it comes to it, and here's a full breakdown. The domain is $15, hosting for the year $24. We built citations. So some of you who don't know what citation is, simply means getting your website on local directories like Yelp, Foursquare, Manta, and we built up to about 400 of these citations. So how we built them, we got a guy here on Fiverr. You can have the link here, or message me. I'm going to drop you the link, so it's something you can easily find on Google. Look for this guy, Mohammed Wahid. So you can buy this $75 worth of links. So another thing you can also get is a press release from Kingswire. you get this premium plan for $70. It's literally that, and you let this simmer. So another thing you want to also know, between building citations and issuing a press release, you want to make it, let's say, 2 to 3 weeks apart. So if you build citation first, then you want to wait at least 2 to 3 weeks before you build out the press release links, because it kind of sends a very good foundational signals to Google. Then you now see how your website responds before you know exactly what to go from there. So in my case, I actually use way less than that, less than $100 to generate all of this. So imagine $100 generating up to 16 leads that could have resulted in almost $20,000 in revenue for a business owner. Like I said, I launched this website in November of 2024, and the first lead came in January. The very first lead came in January, and here's the proof of it. January 25, that was when the first lead came in. So the microsite system, which I kind of advise my clients to do, or advise people in general, excuse me, if you serve multiple locations, you want to have websites targeting that specific location. So in our case, we serve McKinney. So the surrounding towns here are Allen, Prosper, and Princeton from the map. So you just go onto the map and see all the neighboring towns within 5 to 10 mile radius, and basically that's it. So you build a single page for each of them. So all of them stands as a single standalone page with all of the service pages, location pages, and blog included. So roughly you have about 72 pages per website, and all of this stack up together such that it makes it unreasonably impossible for you not to get leads. So imagine you have a pillar of 10 sites, and each of them get 1 lead a month at the start when you just invested just $200 or so. Because with time, once you start building backlinks, so if you spend at least $1,000 building backlinks to each of the sites, each of them, which is a lot, I must tell you, but you would rank higher, you would get more leads, you would show up for more keywords with just getting backlinks on most of the sites. So the structure of how our websites come out is you have the home page structure, the service page. For each dedicated service pages, you have location for each of the location specific pages, and you now have combined pages with this URL structure. So you kind of tell Google exactly what it is you do, how you do it, and everything is all neat and connected together. So if you do your math very well, it's something you should have under your belt. Then what we didn't do when we were doing this, we didn't actually build high quality backlinks per month. So if we had built high quality backlinks per month, we would show up for more queries. We would probably appear here in number 1 for almost all the queries we have on these tabs here. We have over 10 to 20, 15 tabs here opened. So all of these are keywords, and we aren't even, for example, I got maintenance. We aren't ranking number 1, we're ranking number 10. So that if you build high quality backlinks to this particular business, you will be ranking number 1 for almost all of the keywords, and that is where you start getting all of the leads from the site. So it's going to take a while, but it costs almost $90 to $100 a month per lead. So if you're able to do 1 link per month, in 12 months, you would have gotten 12 high quality links. But if you want to ramp that up very quickly, you could do 2 per month, and that just gives you a no-brainer. So you want to also update your content regularly, build dedicated service pages. So these are the things we didn't do, and it could have helped a lot. So here's what I'm offering you. So if you still run ads, or you want to still keep them running because it brings the cash for the business, so you want to set aside a little of those profits to start investing in SEO, such that you build a system specifically for yourself. It stays with you for a very long time, and you get all of these calls sticky, pretty good. But if you're going to work with us, we're going to add something extra into the pudding for you. We don't have a Google Business Profile case study yet, but it's something we are actively looking for a business to do this with. So we update your Google Business Profile, you get it ranking, and get you most of those leads coming in. We'll help you with review collections on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. You just with just a swipe of a button, and the review sequence goes out, reminding the customers to actually leave you a review without being pushy. Then there's a missed call text back, use a unique tracking number for each site that allows these customers to that allows you to track the number of calls you get in a month, so you're able to know how to improve your campaign. Then AI chat widgets that books appointment for you automatically. So if you're ready to do this yourself, you can get all of this done with $224. I've literally given you the entire blueprint of how you can get this done. But if you want to work with us to get this thing all set up, and it could take a lot of hours, I'm not saying it's not something you can do, but you can book a call with us with the link in the description below. If you found this video any way helpful for your business, please like and share this video. Thank you.